Hi, this is the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So to do that, we should first open the Play Store app and in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app and click to enable in settings. Near green Apple keyboard, you should click to the switcher to activate it. Then just tap twice to OK and go back. Tap to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and let's check our new keyboard look. So we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs ups and subscribe.